The Chicago Cyclops went out on the road today to face the Dallas Rottweilers. The Cyclops defense delivers an absolutely lights-out performance against the Rottweilers this afternoon, allowing only 55 yards in total offense. Adam A-Train Thomas and the Collision Cameron Collins combined for 3 sacks on the afternoon. The final score is 16-0 Cyclops. The Cyclops player of the game is Jackson Hentges. Hentges throws for 208 total yards on 14 attempts, with 2 touchdown passes, 1 a 75-yard bomb to Mellow Jackson. Touchdown, Cyclops!